Welcome to the Installation Commissioning and Operation Guide of NC2 AC Contactor. Before beginning, please disconnect the power source and wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. Wire crimping pliers, wire stripping pliers, wires of appropriate specifications. Wire noses, O-type terminals, screwdriver, wrench, insulating gloves, and a multimeter, etc. Before starting, select a suitable installation location. NC2 AC contactor is installed with screws. Drill holes on the mounting surface of the cabinet according to the specifications of the product. Use 4 screws and washers to fix the product on the mounting surface. And tighten the screws. Install the secondary contacts on the contactor along the mounting rail. The inclination of the installation surface to the vertical plane shall not exceed plus or minus 5 degrees. If you need to disassemble the AC contactor, remove the 4 mounting screws and washers and then take off the product. Before starting the wiring steps, ensure to select wires with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's current rating, as recommended in the instruction. First, for the primary circuit wires, use wire strippers to strip 11 to 13 mm of the copper wire. When wiring the secondary and control circuit, use wire strippers to strip 10.5 to 11 mm of the copper wire. To ensure that the exposed copper wire is of appropriate length, use crimping pliers to crimp the O-ring terminal and wire nose to the end of the copper wire, ensuring the reliability of the connection. For NC2, connections should be done according to the requirements: 1L1, 3L2, 5L3 as the primary circuit incoming terminals, 2T1, 4T2, 6T3 as the primary circuit outgoing terminals, and A1 and A2 as the control circuit incoming and outgoing terminals. Finally, tighten the bolts and screws to the specified torque value using a wrench and an electric torque screwdriver. The wiring task is complete when you complete these steps. The coil should be supplied with a rated control power voltage before the primary circuit is energized. The AC contactor can be put into use only after the test action is reliable. After powering on, use a multimeter to perform a continuity test on the AC contactor to verify that it is working properly. Refer to the troubleshooting guide if a problem is encountered. We will cover the diagnostics and troubleshooting steps for several common faults, such as the AC contactor not operating or operating unreliably. For more information, please visit our official website, or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.